Hi guys! Welcome back to Wowa's Home. Remember me from my channel and I'm back in Wowa's Home. So today I will be sharing about this pandesal. Look at this asado. It's super yummy. First, saute onion and garlic. Add pork and chicken. Next, add water because we want it to be saucy. Add star anise and bay leaf. Add soy sauce. Let's add oyster sauce to make it even more yummy. I'll make it more sweeter with sugar. Let it boil. Cook until meat is tender. Add slurry to make it thick. I'm going to use Baker's Best Pandesal Mix. Only follow its instructions. Or you can watch Wowa's Home Recipes. I will put the link down below. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe.